Good morning, boys. Merry Christmas. What's going on out here today? Yes, sir. And out on Biangchang, got the new IC35. I mean, it's not new. I just got it. But we got the new flasher out here. Thanks, Santa. And we got a nice little litter of tip-ups out here. And we'll catch you guys in a little bit if we start hitting the gills or if some flags start popping off. All right, first flag of the day. Can't tell if it was really spinning or not. I guess we'll find out. Thought I saw it burn once or twice. Oh, it's off this side a little bit. Yeah, we'll see. Not bad. All right, probably like start off the day, boys. Get a nice unhook and send her back down. Alright, first little snake of the day. Get her back down. They do get bigger than this, I promise. Nothing beats that. Yeah. Alright, well, it's been flag number 2 today. It's going slow, so this might be the one. Fuck! Not all the way in the mouth, boys. Alright, so a little update for you guys. Nothing's really happening. No more flags since that last one you guys saw. It's about 2 o'clock right now. And bluegill bite's not happening either. Another dude pulled up. He's not a real one though. He's just sitting like a little pussy in his pond. Yeah, we got nothing else really to say. Flags will go off and catch you in the next update. Alright boys, fishing today, how was it?
Absolute dog shit. Not too good.
Pretty shit. Well, this will probably be a 2-parter. Next time we'll go out. It's supposed to rain this weekend in southern Wisconsin. So, New Year's Eve. My Indian friend over here won't be attending. He'll be back doing hockey things.
I will, unfortunately.
Yeah, so we won't see him until about March. Pretty tragic. Anyway, we will catch you guys whatever we're doing next. All right, ladies and gentlemen, part 2 of this 2-part video. It is cold. What's going on out here? We got Grant and A-Weed and John out here. Mr. Indian had to go back to his gay hockey team.
So, you know, we're sitting out here in Kettle Moraine, little New Year's Eve sun. We had some...
He just ate shit.
Yeah, babe! I'll cheers to that.
Alright, continue.
Alright, so we're out here on fucking Tiangchang today with the boys. We got A-Weed, we got Mr. John Daly, we got Ethan Hansen, we got
The whole squad here.
James Salinas, Paul Salinas, Taylor Rappy, and myself. So we're sitting out here. We're just going to be setting tip-ups out today because it's a little on the chillier side, so we're not going to be doing too much jigging, so it's not too hot out here for panfish. So we're going to see if we can get a walleye or a pike as maybe the night comes on. So yeah, we're just kind of spreading our tip-ups out. I'm the only one for the auger. I'm the only one with the bait. So shout out to me.
Duh plug.
Yeah, duh plug. You can call me fucking plug walk.
I think Gabe really wants you.
Yeah.
Alright, we'll catch you guys when the flags start popping.
Oh, there she goes. There she goes. Got him?
Yeah.
What do we have here, John?
What is it, John?
Yes!
Yeah.
Not even finishing up
Yeah,
tip-ups.
we're still putting our spread out, baby.
Dude, it's fucking cold.
Let's fucking go!
Here, Mr. Roberts.
Alright, so I literally just dropped my minnow down. I was going to put it up on the tip up, but I see my shit spinning like fucking real quick, and I'm like, what the hell's going on there, guy? And I pull up the fucking hamster.
What are you doing, guys? What are you doing? He's jigging for fucking...
Otter's gone.
Yep.
Oh, hell yeah.
Nice. Pike.
Biggie or what?
Oh my god! Shit! Food!
You wanna try?
We got another one going over here.
Run!
That's mine. That's mine. Here, hold this.
It says Handler on it, you bitch.
Oh, come on, take a bite.
I like your song for it. Holy shit, that's a lot of line.
Oh, there we go.
Ooh!
This like fucking produces nothing big, but
Hell yeah, perfect night.
Bigger than mine, I just
golden
caught.
hour, baby, golden hour.
It was going real fast before. Got him?
Yeah.
Feel big?
No. Oh. It's stuck on the damn ice. Oh!
Oh shit, we eating
got a
good
large
tonight!
Might just wait a little bit.
I take it. Got it? Oh, hell yeah.
Walleye, baby!
Maybe. Nope. Oh, fucking Pike.
I don't think we even keep this.
No, we don't.
That's fucking small as
Do you have
shit.
the depth finder?
I'm actually using it.
I don't need it.
Perfect fucking night on the lake.
Oh yeah.
Ethan, where'd it go?
Where'd you put the snippers?
We're out here fucking vibing at New Year's. We catch a fucking walleye, bro. A fucking walleye.
What is that,
Just a
Grant?
walleye.
What is that, Dylan? Yes, sir.
Fuck yes. That's why we out here on New Year's Eve.
Yes, sir! All right, we got a little catch and cook with that walleye we just caught. What we?
All right, so we're out at Ethan Handler's cabin for New Year's Eve. Give it to him. Show him.
We out here.
And guess who fucking caught the 19-inch walleye?
We out here.
So Ethan caught that absolute beautiful walleye. One of the bigger walleyes I've seen out of the ice, which is surprising, but yeah, there's not too many walleyes around here. Yeah, so
Yeah, it didn't break
yeah,
off.
exactly. It didn't break off. Which is
Damn
pretty cool.
it.
But right here, we got two absolute beautiful fillets from this walleye. Boneless, absolute golden crispies of the north right here, all right?
And we're just booling out here, waiting for
are.
it to be midnight. We got our tip up still out there, just checking the lights every once in a
Why
while.
is fucking speaking so fast?
Okay.
Yeah.
Sorry, I'm sorry. I didn't do anything, sir.
So we got these two absolutely beautiful crispy white. We got the two little cheeks right here. Those are the best tasting parts of the fucking fish right there. But we got these two cheeks right here. And the rest of the fillet. We're gonna toss it in the frying pan. I don't know when, either now or at midnight, either or. But we're gonna batter them up with old Andy seasoning. Shout out to Jake for picking that up.
Oh, the Andes?
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
you know, I just thought
Jake
it
had to
fired.
point that up and get that shit for us. But I'm gonna cut the meat off the skin here, and then we're gonna end up throwing her in the grease and see how she tastes.
Yes, sir.
So I'll catch you then.
Yes, sir.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We got A-Weed, a.k.a.
Fucking, you know, the fucking outlaw for life.
I'm a whole different person. It's a gift and
Get the fuck out! We're doing a dip video, bitch!
I gotta spit.
I can't remember.
Shit! Okay. So, today, boys and girls, so you know, last video I showed you how to do a
Bear
regular. No, we did the regular pack.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's, you know, you do it like this, or you can do the side pack, you know, yee. But for today, everyone loves this one. I'm gonna do it again, a revamp. It's called, everyone knows it, the Bear Claw. We got our special guest, Grizzly, long cut wintergreen, of course, specialty. What you do it is you get your whole hand, put that shit right in the middle, clasp it real good and good. You know, shit, I said good again, damn it. Sorry.
We cut the clip, it's okay.
It's okay. Shit. All right. When you're in the deer stand and you know you don't want to have the deer know that you're there and you got to pack a fucking fat lip, this is the way you got to do it. Get your perfect pack every time. You do it like this. It's called the Bear Claw. See how you don't get any noise? I'm telling you right now. Do that 4 or 5 times and look at this. Look at this. Money. It's a little bit of a full can, but you know what? It still gives you a little God's pinch.
All
That's
right.
how you do the Bear Claw.
And on that note, we'll catch you boys on the next Robin Rap video.
Yes.